Hi everyone, I'm Dinesh, co-founder of V-TAC, and we are truly thrilled to announce the new innovation, a product which we are really proud of. As we all know, the bulkhead is a very common product for the UK market and hundreds of thousands of pieces are sold every year. But what sets our product apart is the detailing that we've given to the simplicity and enhancement done in this product. We are confident that this product is going to be a game changer. Thank you for always being a part of our journey to create meaningful products.